Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
Today on Legally Speaking, we're talking about getting a quick offer and settling your injury claim right away. Cyndi, I know you have thoughts about this.
I do. I really wanted to make this segment and title it Beware the Quick Offer, because we do hear from a lot of people who've been approached by an insurance company, sometimes just weeks or even days after their accident, and offered $500, $1,000, $2,000, which sometimes they accept without having enough information to really judge whether that's a fair offer, and then they deeply regret it.
So what information do you need to know whether an offer is fair?
You certainly want to know the full extent of your injury, and often the information you've gotten in the ER isn't the full story. So a common scenario, maybe you're told you have a knee contusion or neck strain, but it's only after you don't get better that they start doing more involved tests, and maybe you need knee surgery or neck surgery. And if you've settled that claim for $2,000 because you were optimistic, you've missed out on all the money you should have gotten for surgery, for medical bills, for time off work, and for pain and suffering. The other thing you want to make sure you know is what you owe. You want to account for all your medical bills and clarify who's paying those. So for example, I talked to a guy the other day. He was in a rear end collision. He went to the ER and he didn't need any further care. So they offered him $2,500 and he took it. And they did tell him your medical bills should be turned into your own insurance. Well, you really don't want to get your advice from an insurance adjuster. His ER bill was almost $30,000. So his claim was settled for at least $20,000 short of what they owed him.
It really sounds like you should talk to an attorney before you sign anything.
Before you sign anything, and also before you agree to anything on the phone. Listen, they record everything you say, and they will try to hold you to a verbal agreement to settle. One message I want to get out to people: say, I need to think about that. I'm not ready to make a decision right now. And then hang up the phone.
That's great advice, Cyndi. Thank you so much. Join us next time for Legally Speaking.